Hi guys and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So today we're going to do the full review of my OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and I've had the phone for about 20 days now, and I've got to say guys, this is an awesome phone. It's a real shame it's only been released in the UK, India and Europe. It would be great if it had been released in America. I think it would have just took the US by storm, to be honest, because yes, they've got the Pixel 5a 5G, but this would have been the same price and it would have been a good competitor. It's a bit funny, really. It's a bit like us in the UK and Europe and India, we got this, and the US and Japan, they got the Pixel 5a 5G. But I don't think I would have got this. I probably would have got the 5a 5G, so I'm really glad that I didn't get another Pixel in some ways, because I'm going to wait for the Pixel 6. But this phone is awesome, guys, and I'm going to tell you a bit more now in my review. Okay, so we'll just go over the specs briefly. We've already done this in my unboxing, but and I'll link it to my usage. So I really like the screen. It's a 6.4 3-inch full HD panel with PPI 409 PPI, and it's really sharp. It's very like my Pixel, but bigger, because it's near enough the same PPI. The MediaTek processor is absolutely awesome. It's the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 5G. So I was a little bit concerned because I've never had a OnePlus before. I've never had a MediaTek processor in my phone that I rock every day as my daily driver, for want of a better word. But yeah, the performance has been absolutely awesome, and gaming's awesome. The only thing I've struggled with, but might be again because I'm a content creator and I'm just pumping it full of 4K video and games and stuff, but the 128 gig, it's not quite enough for me, but your average person, it's going to be more than enough. That 8 gig of RAM on board, paired with the Dimensity 1200 chip, it's blazing fast. It's, if you didn't know what was in this, you'd think it was an 888 Snapdragon. It's, totally smooth, not missed a beat. On to my next favourite thing, cameras. The cameras are awesome. I didn't think I would get a phone this year for around £400 that would rival my Pixel 4a. As you've probably seen on my channel, or if you've watched reviews of the 4a yourselves, that phone's been hard to beat. But yeah, the camera definitely beats it. I already agreed that with myself in my reviews, but if you've caught my other video, I did a quick review that it got a high DxO mark score of 116, and it actually beat the OnePlus 9 by 1 point. That got 115. So a phone in the same manufacturer's stable that costs another £200, this beats it on DxO mark, which I think is absolutely awesome. Okay, other things I like, guys. So the fingerprint scanner. I didn't think I was going to like the fingerprint scanner, but it's really quick, and no issues. I just hit 180 subs, guys. I was on 179 before we started, so that's nice. I've got my little widget there. Okay, and then the other thing that still not been resolved, it should have raise to wake. So when you lift it like that, it should unlock, but you have to press the power button, which is really fast, or you have to double tap the screen. So I think that's my only downside with the phone, other than accessories. This is a cheap case I bought off eBay. It's a little bit of an upgrade on the free jelly case that you get in the pack. Shout out to OnePlus, so it's great you get the jelly case with it. But yeah, I'm disappointed, guys, because I'd love to have this guy. This is my 4A's Spigen Tough Armor case, but I don't think they're coming out from the looks of it, so I'm probably going to get myself one of the OnePlus bumper cases. But yeah, the phone's been out since the end of July, so I don't think these cases are coming, unless you've heard any rumours, guys, but they'd be out by now, really, wouldn't they? Okay, next thing I really like, and this is an absolutely killer feature. Okay, guys, so this might not be new to you, but this has changed the way I use my phone. So I don't need to worry about running low anymore, unless I'm at the house. But if I'm in the house or I work from home, I just charge this for half an hour. Even if it's on 0, I've got 100%. So again, I made a video on the warp charging speed, and it charged from 0 to 100 in 32 minutes, which is absolutely awesome. And just for instance, the other day, I charged it the night before, and then I'd been out shooting video for another one of my reviews, and the phone got to about 40%. So I just put it on the charger for 15 minutes and back up to 80, and then just, you know, I needed to go out again and pick my son up actually, so it just awesome. So, you know, fast chargers, they might not be a new thing to you guys, but I've never had anything over 20 watt. So yeah, this has been awesome. Like I say, a real game changer for me. The other thing that's absolutely great, battery life. So you've got that fast charger anyway, so, you know, even if it didn't have good battery life, it would have been, you know, great just to top it up. But I've been getting 6-7 hours screen on time, and that isn't a full example of battery usage. So screen on time is also how long it's been off the charger. So this phone, you know, it can go, I do like, say, a 16-hour day probably, because I work 12 hours at work, I've got kids, I get up early, and then I go to bed late normally. And this phone, you know, I'm not really reaching for the charger. If you weren't using it like I do, if you were, you know, a bit lighter use, you'd probably get 8 hours, I think, screen on time. Okay, another thing I love, build quality. So it's a beautiful frosted glass panel. It's Gorilla Glass 5, so it's not, you know, Victus or the highest one, but it's beautiful. And if you can see there, the OnePlus icons shiny, or, you know, what's the word? Well, we'll go with shiny. It's not matte. So yeah, but it's I think it's a plastic bezel, but it does feel like chrome. It's, you know, doesn't feel cheap, and it's got a nice weight on this. It's, you know, feels again like a proper premium product. It's not a cheap, nasty phone, and yeah, really nice. Again, screen's beautiful. Do really recommend that. I've got it in shot there, guys. I've done a video on that as well, but it's hard to get screen protectors for this phone as well, along with the cases. So yeah, you know, I really recommend this one. Okay, so I thought we'd play a bit of PUBG, because I know a lot of viewers will like this, and it's a good gaming test for the phone. Yeah, I'll jump now. Okay, so if you've made it this far, guys, please, if you could give me a like, it just really helps the YouTube algorithm recommend my videos, so other people who want to watch tech reviews on phones, or, you know, just in general. But I'd really appreciate that if you can, please, guys. Is that all we got? Oh, this looks like Caesar's room, if you've ever seen Rise of the Planet of the Apes. Caesar! Good films, those, I like those. I have no idea where this guy is. Oh, there we go, guys. Kill with a handgun. Executed. There we go. I've done rubbish, guys. Died. There we go. So, dead on air, that one. Never mind. Performed well though. It's not got too hot or anything, I don't believe. So, onto the camera. The cameras are absolutely awesome, guys. I didn't think I would find a phone for £400 that would beat my Pixel 4a, but yeah, this definitely does. I think it's only the selfie camera where the Pixel 4a beats it really. So have a look at these shots and hope you enjoy them. Another thing about this phone, so it's really smooth, you know, no slowdown at all. It's great just navigating through everything. Not seeing any slowdown whatsoever. The screen's lovely and you know, fluid, that 90 Hz display when you're scrolling like this. Absolutely great. It's nice that it's a little bit bigger than the Pixel, so it's nice to have a bigger screen, but it's still good in the hand. You know, it's not too wide like some phones and you're struggling. It's good to type on it. So I'll just show you guys, you can, you know, really type one-handed well on it. So do, that'll do us. So I'm constantly searching for cases, guys. I know you can get this from OnePlus India, the sandstone case. I'll show you. I can't get it over here at the moment, but I love this one. I'd like to buy that, but you can't get it on the UK OnePlus site, so hopefully that's going to come soon. But yeah, it's just, like I say, really good. Feels like my Pixel, you know, but even faster navigation is, you know, really nice. Okay guys, so let's just summarize now. So I love this phone. I really recommend picking it up. There are a few alternatives, but the big thing you're going to miss on this phone, the software experience is really good. It's like, as I say, as good as my Pixel, if not better, which I'm really surprised about. And it won't be my last OnePlus phone. I'm, you know, really like the brand now. But yeah, you know, I can tell you this is my daily driver. Obviously, I'm using this phone. I've had it for 20 days and it's awesome, guys. And like I said at the start of the video, I got this because the Pixel 5a 5G, Google didn't release it in the UK, and I think, you know, this is as good as a Pixel. I'd like to try both phones, but this chipset's better than the 765G, and, you know, I think this is a really good value phone. So, as always with my reviews now, guys, we're going to ask Yoda what he thinks of the OnePlus Nord 2, and whether he recommends it.
You must complete the training.
Bit short by Yoda, we'll ask him again.
You must not go.
Okay, so he's saying you must not go before subscribing to Tech Anorak. No, he didn't say that, but yeah, he loves this phone. I love this phone. Like I said, I can't recommend this enough, guys. It's been awesome, and yeah, I hope you like the video. Please hit me up in the comments as always. If you're thinking of getting this phone or the Pixel 4a, give me a shout. You know, ask me any questions you want, guys. My audience or my viewers, they'll know that I always come back to everybody in the comments, and I'm here to help. You know, I'm not just out for selfish reasons. I want to grow a community and, you know, help everybody. But yeah, tell me what you think about this one as always, guys. And thanks for watching Tech Anorak. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.